Happy Teardown Thursday. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a company that is actually strategically using templates to draw new users in to their software. So, a lot of times when you think of templates, you're probably thinking of something that can be made outside of software or something that can be made once with that template or not reused. In this specific instance, we are talking about an email service provider, Klaviyo, with email templates. And so their strategy involves showing a page that has a lot of different email templates on it and getting somebody interested in using those templates by looking at the visual design. Once they actually look at the design and they figure out which template they want to use, the next step is not to actually use that template, but to actually sign up for a Klaviyo account. And so, this is a powerful strategy that you can use in your business, especially if you do have a SaaS, but it could be applied to different types of businesses as well. So, let's go ahead and go into Klaviyo's website so I can show you what they're doing right and what you can actually steal for your business. All right, so what we're looking at here is Klaviyo's landing page for their email templates. So, this is a great lead magnet strategy considering the fact that this is a software that actually helps people with their email marketing for their e commerce brands. And so, they are providing templates in order to help people get started with their software. So, as we can see, if we're going down, we'll be able to see the different templates that they have and how their landing page is structured. So basically, their headline is email templates to fit your strategy. So, with hundreds of templates to choose from, you can quickly customize and send coordinated multi channel messages that match your brand, engage customers, and drive results. So, as someone who is new to email marketing or maybe doesn't want to put in a lot of thought, these templates are going to be very beneficial and helpful for people who actually need those email templates. So, we have information here on what type of templates they actually have. As you can see, they have over 160 email templates to actually use, over 60 sign up forms, and over 70 plus ready made flows. So, this is a lot of information for someone who is trying to get started with email marketing for their e commerce brand. So, not only do they have these email templates here, they have the sign up and the ready made flows that just makes everything seamless and easy for their potential customer. So if we come on down here, you can see some of the examples, and this is good because they are giving visuals. So maybe it's not a maybe a person actually needs to see a visual of something before they can actually commit. So it's much more captivating to actually have these visuals here versus saying, okay, we just have email templates for you, but we're not going to show you what they actually look like. So these right here are examples of what some of these templates look like for someone who is coming in. And as you can see, we have different types of templates for outreaches, for deals, a welcome VIP letter, exclusive offers. So all different types of templates. We move on down here, we have more information about how to customize the templates, basically how easy it is because you can streamline the design with reusable blocks. So we have different information here on how to use the templates as well. Moving on down their landing page, we also have information about personalized touches. So, obviously, you have these templates here, but you're going to want to make them personalized to you and your brand. And moving on down, we have information on these flows. So, not only do they have the email templates, like I mentioned above, but they also have flows that you can put in. So, I'm assuming this is something like an automation. I don't use Klaviyo, but I'm assuming that's an automation just looking at this right here. So, they have the information on the flows as well, since they already have templates for those as well. Then we come on down to the bottom, and the bottom just has frequently asked questions about their email templates. And there's really not that many questions. One thing I probably would suggest is probably putting in a couple more questions and answers here, because this is just about the email templates, but earlier they mentioned the flows and the sign up form template. So maybe they want to put a little bit more information about those two things down here. But overall, I think this is a good landing page. This is going to get somebody intrigued enough to want to actually use one of these templates and go ahead and sign up for Klaviyo. So that's how you're going to get access to these templates. So as you can see, if you hover over one of these templates, it's asking you to sign up to Klaviyo, and it's going to take you to the sign on page. So that's how that works for these SaaS platforms, is that you have the templates that someone can use that are within your platform, and you go ahead and put an image of what the template is, go ahead and let the people click on it. So when they click on it, they actually have the option to sign up. You want them to sign up for your software so they can actually use those templates, and therefore you can get more customers this way. So, what exactly did Klaviyo do right with this lead magnet? What are they doing wrong? How can you use this strategy for your business? So, I'm going to go over a little bit of research that I actually did on Klaviyo itself and the template library that they have here, and how you can actually apply this to your business. So, we already talked about that they have over 160 email templates. That's great. They also have the form builder, and they also have the opt in pages that have templates as well. So this is a massive library that allows people to use these templates for different stages of their business. So this works because we have a lot of variety, number one. So it's not just the email templates, but even within the email templates, you have a lot of variety at over 160 templates. The next thing is they have built-in personalization features. So therefore, obviously you have the templates if you make templates for your business, but allowing people to actually personalize those templates to make it theirs, that would be wonderful. So Klaviyo is doing really good on that point. And then they also have the multi-channel integration. So that's something about the software themselves, because they allow coordination between the email and text messages and notifications for the e-commerce brands. Okay, so what exactly can you steal for your business based upon what we're seeing here with Klaviyo? So you can steal those templates. So you can actually make a lot of different templates for your software program or your business, whatever it may be. If it fits to where you can make templates, you can make templates for that. Another thing that comes to mind is someone who does like book publishing or helping authors or something to that effect. They can actually make ebook covers, and those could be templates. So you just have to figure out what you can make as a template. Go ahead and start creating those templates and offer those as a lead magnet for those people potentially wanting to come in to use your business or your service. Okay. So you can create those templates and then make sure that you have a wide variety like Klaviyo. You don't need nearly as many. You do not need 200 or 160. Just make sure you have a couple dozen or whatever, and you can use those templates to bring people in. The next thing is organizing your lead magnet library by customer journey stage. So, like I said, Klaviyo has a lot going on here with the email templates, the opt in, and the flow. So, you can do that for your templates as well, but just make sure that you organize it so not everything's jumbled together. And the last thing is numbers. So I always like to give numbers if they have them. So Klaviyo offers these templates to over 146,000 active users, and they download, obviously, and in order to download these templates, like I showed you earlier, you're going to have to sign up to the software, but over 146,000 active users right now. And then the bottom line is that Klaviyo actually transforms basic email templates into a comprehensive e-commerce toolkit. This is something you can do for your business. So you can make your templates a comprehensive toolkit for potential customers, potential leads that may be coming in. So that was this week's lead magnet teardown. Let me know what you think in the comments if this is something that you are thinking about implementing into your business. If you like this video, please remember to like it, please share. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.